ETA on the chopper's at least half an hour, Captain Price.
No good. We'll be corpses for 10 minutes by then. Every ultra-nationalist psycho in Zakhaev's pocket is about to show up on our doorstep, coming to claim all Assad.
Or what's left of him.
Right. We'll set charges along phase line Alpha on the southern hill. And more along phase line Bravo. We'll delay them all the way back to the top and hold our ground at the extraction point in the fields around the farm. Any questions?
Let's do this.
Ignore that load of bollocks. Their counterattack is imminent. Spread out and cover the southern approach. Sir, they're slowly coming up the hill. Just say when. Kaboom. Target down. Nice shot, mate. Got him. Target eliminated. Hold your ground. They think we're a larger force than we really are. Copy. Goodbye. Target down. Putting up smoke screens. You see anything? Not much movement on the road. They might be moving to our west. They're targeting our position with mortars. It's time to fall back. Right, so, get to the minigun and cover the western flank. Go. 2, falling back. 3, on the move. 3 here. 2's in the far eastern building. We've got the eastern road locked down. So, keep the minigun spooled up. Firing burst. Got him. From the next defensive line. Everyone move. So, we're falling back to the next phase line. Let's go, let's go. You're gonna get left behind. So, use the detonators. There's 4 of them in the tavern. Move. tanks approaching from the north. Bloody hell, I'm hit. Mac's in trouble. So, get to the barn at the northern end of the village and stop those tanks. Use the javelin in the barn. So, the javelin's in the barn! Move! Move! This is Falcon 1, standing by to provide close air support, over.
Bravo 6, this is Griffin 2-7. We've just crossed the Azerbaijani airspace. ETA is 4 minutes. Be ready for pickup.
Target confirmed. Stand by for airstrike.
Bravo 6, the LZ is too hot. We cannot land at the farm. I repeat, we cannot land at the farm. We're picking up SAM sites all over these mountains.
Oh, that's just great! Now where are they gonna land now?
Bravo 6, we're getting a lot of enemy radar signatures. We'll try to land closer to the bottom of the hill to avoid a lockdown, over.
Oh, it's got me taking a piss! We've just busted our asses to get to this LZ, and now they want us to go all the way back down! Forget it, guys! We've got to get to the new LZ at the bottom of the hill, now! Go! Take point! Go!
Bravo 6, be advised. We're gonna come in low from the south across the river. Recommend you haul ass to LZ Foxtrot at the base of the hill. Out.
Copy 2-7. Everyone, head for the landing zone. It's our last chance. Move!
We are almost there, but we're low on fuel. You guys have 3 minutes before we have to leave without you, over.
We're gonna get left behind! We've got to get to the landing zone!